Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining the stream today. And today I'm with Nick, our head of growth, and we'll be unveiling something that we've been working for the past few months, and that's something that took, I guess, a long time to figure out. We had to go through a long journey, of trial and error, to make it work. And that's our agent store, something that simplifies agentic crypto trading, and also perhaps a new direction that will shape, Loomlay, Loomlay's future. So, Nick, what are your thoughts about it?
Yeah, actually, just like Darius started like a wave, just like, yeah, amazing. So, guys, just like to remind, the guy in that pink cap is the alpha brain of Loomlay, OX Darius and X, and our chief executive and the main coder. And as he mentioned, yes, we've been building for a few months since our last stream. I think this is the second stream, and this is going to be a good tradition for Loomlay to have seasonal streams starting like every new season of the year with big updates. And yes, these big updates about Loomlay, this is an agent store. But before that, I think I think the main thing that we realized for this time and we were seeking for, it was like kind of a fit, a product market fit for Loomlay. And I think no one except Darius can explain this now better than me, what we decided to select as our main direction for the nearest future to implement that wallet automation, that trading strategies using AI.
Um, yeah,
So
so when we first launched Loomlay, it was we launched it as we wanted to create a platform that allows easily to create these crypto agents that could be versatile and do whatever. So first we start with like info agents, so they could like yap on Twitter and do some analysis of tokens. Then we added the implementation of like trading for agents, but this trading, it was quite limiting. So first issue was that uh, there could be only like one wallet per agent, so agent could only manage its own wallet. And to actually create this trading agent, it was, quite challenging. Getting feedback from users that although they wanted to create some strategy, but even though we have in this no code platform, still you need some sort of technical knowledge to structure things together in order to make it work. So yeah, that was, I guess, first of the obstacle, that although it was possible to create like trading agent, but it wasn't really simple. Another issue is I guess the how this trading agent could operate. Like before, uh, if you would like to have a limit order or react to the market, or basically in crypto and trading generally, you need to react to the events like fast as soon as they happen. Otherwise, you miss the opportunity, and you the lot. And if you miss, and this opportunity could last like seconds, minutes, and so the speed was really important to get into the market on time. Like before, we're using these repeating workflows, so you could create a workflow that could run, I don't know, like every minute, every 10 minutes to check some data. But it wasn't effective, it was expensive. And so that led to developments that we have today. Perhaps, yeah, I have a little something actually, maybe to go through.
Okay, while Darius is sharing his screen, guys, just like yes, what I can add to this is just very simple scenes. It's just like we were thinking how to make seamless and possible trading for people even without technical skills, because the epoch of trading bots, it's for those who have technical skills, and epoch of AI agents is for those of us who, despite of non-technical, being non-technical, can simply implement any trading strategy with AI agents.
Yeah,
And Darius want to share with us some core vision on that, old and new ways. Yeah.
yeah, I guess so. It's the just the core component we created, like this shining thing, smart events. Uh, Basically, before everything was running, I don't know, let's say every minute, every 10 minutes. It was expensive. It can be delayed, and this agent's action was just limited to the one user. Like the smart events we created, so it's efficient, cheap, fast, and any user interacting with the agent can actually benefit it. So maybe just so that was the core component of our new trading agents. Well, trading agent basically consists of three parts. So versus like user wallets module, so we can have one agent, and this agent now can manage multiple wallets. And each user still would have like access to this wallet. Like it's possible to export like private keys. It's possible to revoke access to the agent at any time. So user is still like in control. Then second component is this strategy, and strategy consists of these like smart events I described. So it can be like price change, it can be volume change, technical indicator change. It can be new post on X, new post on Telegram. It can be when some wallet makes a swap, makes a trade, sends tokens, and each user, well, in the store can basically also adjust the strategy. And there are also like workflows that coordinate this whole thing. So the way to use those trading agent now will be like really straightforward. You would just select the agent from the store, uh, top up its wallet balance, and you're essentially in the game. Um, and well, so this trading agent store, yes, it will be, well, we focus on three core, let's say, groups of users in it. So there are strategists, like agent builders. So they can create agent, they can publish it to the store, and then like earn trading fees or additional fees they can charge from users. So there is now a way to like to create a trading strategy, publish it, and monetize it. For traders, uh, well, basically we simplify uh, the whole the whole process how traders can benefit from agents. So they just select from pre-made agents, they activate it, then they either earn or lose from those strategies. And we'll have an option to also earn referral fees. So whenever you refer someone to the store, you would also earn their like part of the trading fees. And as for Loomlay stakeholders, um, so we'll have now a new streams of let's say like fees that are being directed to our ecosystem. So first one is from agent runtime. So whenever agent runs, there is lay token involved in the uh, like running it. So you need to pay for the runtime can lay. Uh, Another thing is trading fees. So whenever agent trades, there is a fee, and again, it will be distributed between uh, like strategists and additionally to the lay stakeholders. Um, so yeah, maybe yeah, enough with the
Enough
well,
with the slides, but like, may I ask you a few
yeah.
questions because your explanation was perfectly a little bit technical, a little bit just like say in the university, in, in front of the whiteboard, but just like to simply, do I understand you right? So using these strategies, using these AI agents after activating them, I don't need to check 24/7 how my agent performs. I can simply go to a party or go to for sleeping, for instance, and leave it trade for me. Is it correct?
I mean, yeah. So agents, they have strategies that you essentially like activate, subscribe to, and they keep on running. And we're starting off with like more basic strategies, and but like we have all the tools we need to create like this sophisticated agents that can, well, perhaps like even self-improve as long as they are running.
Mhm.
So
So you
so
want to show us
yeah,
something like
so yeah, I guess the goal of it, yeah, is to simplify this trading. Uh, like we have so many, uh, like I've seen a screenshot recent. Well, it was the stat from Dune, like amount of tokens being launched, and like it's been growing just exponentially. And I think one of the problems, well, the traders will be facing is like if there is like 10,000 new tokens popping up daily, how do you select one? How do you analyze anything? Like it's just so much noise out there, and perhaps that's where trading agents can step in. Is that instead of like now we have a way to automate like trading for like bots, but bots are like pre-configured and they're pretty uh, well.
not as flexible, you mean? Yes, they are not as flexible.
I mean, there's like two ways to determine whether you want to get into the trade. Let's say there are like in case of bots, it can be just like a new token gets launched and then you buy it whether there's enough liquidity or what else, amount of perhaps volume. So there can be like these technical indicators uh, that now some bots have the ability to trade on. But another part of trading is also kind of analyzing the social sentiment around it, like um, whether there's any like substance behind the token. So that usually, yeah, that's done now by, well, by our eyeballs when we go to the Twitter profile, we search what is the project about, like does this meme have any potential or like is this meme relevant, or if it's more of a utility project, so does it have any legs, and is anyone else like talking about it. So a big part of determining like whether you want to get in a trade or not is like analyzing this social sentiment as well. And yeah, that's where like these trading agents can come to shine. So yeah, back to our, yeah, let's just look at these our store.
That's
uh
nice. Sorry, let me just like take a short pause here, just like because I see a lot of questions in our chat right now, guys. Just like please follow our stream on X, and I shared a form because tomorrow I remind you that tomorrow we are going to have a QA session, Twitter Space, exactly for all the questions you've got right now. And for the next part of the stream, I'm kindly ask you to be really attentive watching what Darius will be showing, because this is an exact agent store with already implemented active strategies. Yeah, let's see how AI agents by Loomlay can trade simple and complicated strategies. I think Darius will give us some example of the DCA or maybe some kind of another strategy. And but you at the same time, guys, can a little bit like and share this stream for us. Give us some love too, and let's go. Let's be late. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Um, so so here I am now on the agent store. So we updated the website already. And if you go there, you would see this Explore tab and also Portfolio. And all in all, like we are moving into direction into to make Loomlay as agent discovery platform where these trading agents can be discovered and you can manage the funds. Well, basically, where you can that you can use this platform to manage your funds. And we have here a bunch of agents. And first thing, like what we wanted to implement is uh, a way to select agent in like most, I guess, important way. So most important way when you select agent is whether it can make money or not. So we added these just like two main columns. Currently they are like at zero, still haven't been running for a while, but essentially you can filter agents by their PNL and by their ROI. And we do it by it's like calculating what's the average PNL of all users that use this agent, what's the average ROI, and at least from there you can get the picture. Um, then, if I let's say want, so as an example, we'll use this DCA agent. So all it does is every 1 hour, uh, it it will buy some sort of token. So when I go here, well, we have this description section, and we have strategy, configuration, example. So here's that it says that every 60 minutes, it will buy $2 of lay with ETH on base. If I want to start the strategy, so I would need to top up this agent with like $5 minimum. This is just to like this top up like goes directly to a wallet and it'll be used for trading anyways. So just kind of a bot protection. So I verify my top up. It looks like it's fine. Then I select to start strategy, and my strategy is running. So
Mhm.
and that's it.
Yeah, that's right. But just like I have a question, just like it looks a little bit too modest for me to buy for $2, like but that is it the strategy can be flexible and can be just like be changed. For instance, if it's set like to buy $2 of the asset, but I want to buy more the same asset.
Yeah, so it's possible to
As an
adjust
end
the
user, just
strategy.
as an end user of this strategy, I don't have access to it backend. Yes, correct. But just like I can make some improvements.
Yeah, so you can still like customize your strategy you activated, like with the amounts, or like in some cases with like the token that's being traded. So to do it, well, first of all, you can at any time you can pause or resume the strategy, and you can also edit it. So in this case, here, like every 1 hour, we would buy $2 of lay. But let's say I want to buy $10.
2000, 2000, that is 2000.
Yeah. Well, I think I don't have that. I just have $10 in my wallet. Uh, Actually, whatever. Just to be safe, I'll put 9. And let's say I don't want to buy lay anymore. I want to buy virtual. and you save it. I guess like activate it, and yeah, that should run. And essentially, uh, well, we have other tabs here, which is like my agent's wallet. So here you can see all your assets that you have, your wallet history. You can export your private key at any time. You can disable wallet access. And yeah, also speaking of like wallet, how we made it. So we're using Turnkey, which basically provides like this enterprise level security for private key storage. And private keys never really touch our servers. Like if I would click export private key, so it would go in here, uh, it would get decrypted locally on my machine. So there's no logs, anything, that could intercept this data.
So literally, this is safe. This is safe using these wallets. Yes.
Well, yeah, essentially, yeah, we don't know the private keys of our users. Only they can decrypt them on their own devices. Neither does agent. So
And there is no
next,
server connected to that private keys. Yes, that's awesome. That's safe.
yeah, another kind of useful feature here is it's like wallet access. So at any time you can revoke access of the wallet to the agent, and it just blocks it off, no matter if strategy is running or not. Um, and so, yeah, I guess I, I want to also go through the like more in-depth like logs, activity history. So like when you run an agent, like it can be, I guess, a bit scary if you don't know whatever is happening. And it also needs like traceability of its decision making. So we have added this activity history tab, essentially where you can check each time what was happening when agent one was running, and you can see it's basically what kind of smart event triggered it, what transaction was made, and then just like, and basically you can trace back the whole like thought process. Uh, Additionally, what we have, so like agent workflows. So in a way, these agent workflows. So you can go to agent workflows to verify what this agent consists of. To It's like in a way as open sourcing the agent, so you can verify what prompts it have, uh, what plugins are being used. So just I guess like additional safety precaution and a way to how does it called, how would say,
This
as a
is
way to
another
verify.
level of transparency, I think. Yes, I guess this is another level of transparency of what's agent going to be done. Avoid situation where just users can be tricked. Yeah.
Well, yeah, like currently what we have is these agents in the store. They made by our team members. Um, but yeah, like in our upcoming releases, we'll add the ability for anyone to create this agent and also publish it to the store. And so there will be like additional layers of security. Like whenever the workflow of the agent gets updated, user would would could accept the changes or like stay with the old version. So say all in all, like there'll be like a process of steps we'll be taking uh, to make agents just like also as transparent as possible, and to avoid any like strategies that can be misleading.
Mm-hmm. May I ask a question actually about exact strategies implementation? So we all in crypto and Web3 right now currently in the narrative that there is no alt season yet. Yeah. So just like the prediction on the market says that, for instance, is going to be a little bit higher than now by the end of the year. And for me, let's imagine that I'm not a technical guy who wanna invest in ETH, but I don't have enough of money just like at one time, like a big amount of money to buy 10 ETHs. And I know that, for instance, DCA is a good strategy to invest periodically, like 5, 10, or $20, like once a week or once 3 days. How I can benefit using Loomlay agent store to implement this strategy for me, and let's say just like to forget about this recurring repeating actions that I need to be done on my Binance account or something like that, and just like to implement this,
I
and
mean,
by the Christmas of 2025 to have some kind of ease that probably will go rising.
of course.
Yeah, so
Uh,
just explain us
well,
how to talk.
well, I mean, we have this SMC agent, and developer is with us on our stream. Uh,
uh, Killing
uh,
me.
so essentially, so it's same as what we have touched before. So we have these some simple DC agents that you can activate. You can read whatever they do. You can edit the amounts, the tokens, and start them. Uh, Another maybe bit more interesting ones will be with like copy trading.
Nice.
So we have this one, the AXBT copy trader. Essentially, yeah, its strategy is pretty straightforward. So each time AXBT will tweet, agent will analyze if any token was mentioned, and if the sentiment about the token was positive, it will then buy like these $2 worth of token. Well, we can adjust the amounts later.
So
Um,
I think
and
exactly in this strategy, you mean that not only AXBT can be copy traded, but actually any signal on X, yes, anytime it's happening, just like for instance, it could happen at night, then when you are not active, not to watch that opinion leader. Yeah, but any X account can be tracked for copy trading. Yeah, correct?
I mean, yeah, like generally, yeah, you would, as an agent builder, you would create a strategy where you select the account you want to track, or like list of accounts, and then just specify that as an action that agent should buy the tokens that were mentioned, and users can adjust this action.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah, that's I guess one of the copy trading ways. Another copy trading way we have is to copy trade by also by wallets. So whenever, so that you would enter a wallet that you want to track, and then when it sends something, swaps, you can check what they swapped, what they sent, and make your agent to decide to buy it. Uh, Another quite interesting one. I'm still like really
I
excited to
see.
test more myself.
Wow.
It's the like swing trading agent. So this one, uh, basically what it will do is whenever RSI on like 4-hour candle hits 35, it means like the token is oversold. Agent would buy the token, and then whenever RSI would hit 70 and more, agent would sell the token. So it's also an example of this like range trading strategies that are possible to create now with agents. Like we support, well, roughly now, like 10 main technical indicators. And it will be, so in a way, yeah, it is possible to create like a market making agent as well, that would just like react to the like levels on the market, and yeah, and execute the trades. And
Mm-hmm.
so when you said, I guess, like when you keep using these agents, another section to keep an eye on is this like portfolio. So you would have like an overview of all the agents that you're using, how much funds each agent has, as well as the um, well, as total portfolio value. So again, we can visit it, check the logs, pause, and do whatever uh, well you want.
The good question actually should be here is just like when I traded successfully and finally received my return on investment, how can I withdraw them?
Well, so you have access to private key.
Hmm.
So you export your private key, you add to your wallet, and then, well, you can mm, like comfortably manage it from wherever you have your phone, or
Okay,
well,
nice. Non-custodial keeping of the keys. That's amazing. Okay, okay, great, great. How many strategies at the same time I can apply for? So it's like I see a list of just like 6 or 5 strategies right now in the store, and just like, can I apply for all of them, or just like I'm limited to apply only for one at the time? Or
well, uh, the way we built Agent Store is that with each agent that you use, a new unique wallet gets generated. So that way, strategies don't get mixed. Like if
Mhm.
one agent trades ETH and another agent trades ETH, so you kind of want to know the uh, effectiveness of those trades, uh, like separately, to make a decision whether agent is profitable or not. So yeah, that's why built this way. But also what it allows is for you to subscribe to any amount of agents. Essentially, you can have 10, you can have 100. It's up to you. And I guess it just goes down to how easy you'll manage to, well, it just will go down to management of it.
But actually, this is another layer, just like of security and actually portfolio management. This looks professional because many traders they don't mix and keep all their bags at the same wallet because it's very difficult to manage portfolio, especially when you trade the same asset and different pairs like ETH for USDC and like let's say ETH for BNB or something like that. Yeah. So okay, got it. And diversification of keys and diversification of strategies at the same time. Okay.
Uh, yeah, so I guess we can, what we can do now. Well, we can talk about what's coming up next. So now this agent store is in private beta, which means that well, it's accessible via like special access key. And to get this access key, we'll drop a Telegram link, private group, where like anyone can join and get the code and start using this agent. Um, so yeah, here's our trading agents roadmap. So now we have private beta. Come to our group, get the access key to activate it. The benefit of it is that well, I'll get to it a bit later. So up next, we'll be integrating Solana and adding something called smart sniping in a way so that you can snipe tokens that are, well, with better probability that are not rugs. And we'll be just adding more these like event support on which agent can trade and make decisions. Next is public beta with referral program, meaning that uh, to use agents in our store, you still will need like a code to access it, and it can be obtained from our initial users that will join the private beta. So if you join private beta now, you'll receive referral code, which later you can share for the public beta. Next, we'll be releasing this public strategy builder so that anyone can come in and create a strategy and publish it to the store. So that will create, it will be possible now to leverage expertise of other professional traders and to monetize it. Well, those agent builders will be able to create either like gated access. So, for example, I create an agent, but I don't want to just anyone to use it. I only want to use it for, I want to allow people who hold my agent's token. So there will be a way to have this gated strategy access. And up next, it will be integration of agents with centralized and decentralized exchanges, with decentralized perps as well, so that it will be like we'll be moving to in direction to kind of combine this agentic trading and algo trading, so that agents can let's say create configurations for trading, and then we'll have this algo trading engine that will be actually executing it. So
Okay. Okay, summarizing this one, I want to say this, guys. In a short-term perspective, we wanted to create a small gang of beta testers, like of testers, to try and battle test what we've built done with uh, agent trading strategies right now on base. Then it's going to be on Solana. But in the long-term perspective, I think it's going to be inevitable somewhere. In the long-term perspective, guys, just like you'll be able to trade perps and you'll be able to make market making. My God, sounds impressive. And as Darius mentioned, just like we will post the link to private close beta testers group. Any volunteers watching us here, or maybe just you can share with your friends, please try to join the group. But before joining the group, we will definitely have a personal communication one-on-one between me or Darius before approving you to join this team. Thank you.
yeah, so just tweeted the link to the private group. You can find it on our Loomlay Twitter account. So feel free to request the access, and well, we're really excited to get your feedback. We're still in the process of refining this user experience, so every suggestion, every idea will be extremely valuable to us. And basically, like going forward, I like to say that where we're moving to is to create this agentic trading platform where agents can be created and published so they can be used by anyone. And also it created now a a new ways to direct more utility to like both itself, like to our like holders, as well as providing utility of the token to traders. And yeah, it seems that like this ecosystem can become like really well connected and will be working tirelessly to make it happen. So I guess it's like we tomorrow we will be having an AMA session via Twitter Spaces. There is a link in the description under the stream where you can also drop your questions, and we'll be we'll be more than happy to go through it and answer it.
Yeah, there's going to be epic Twitter space because today we are not going to open the mic because it was a lot of information here, and I think this built kind of ambiguity here. Yeah, what is it? What the trading strategies? So, guys, our DMs are open also. If you can find that Google form link, just like DM me on Telegram or on X, doesn't matter. Just like I will share it to you to submit your question, because for us it's very important to answer all the questions and to avoid that misunderstanding on what we are building right now. Thank you very much, Dario. That was an amazing presentation. I think tomorrow we will more discuss about the just like how our stakeholders will be benefited by using our platform. This is very important also. But anyway, guys, just give us some more likes, show us that you like the stream, give us some feedback. We are open to that always 24/7, almost 24/7. We are not AI agents yet, sorry, just like we need to sleep sometime. But actually, most of you know that almost all the time we are active on X, on Telegram. And I'm really eager to see you are trying to use our trading strategies and give us feedback. We build it for you, but at the same time, we build what we believe in because we want to change. We want to change the future, just like for non-technical guys, just simply apply for trading strategies and implement them and benefit from them. We'll see how we can do that. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks everyone, and
Stay late.
we'll see you soon.
Yeah. See you soon, guys. Yeah. Bye.
Oops.
Still live.